Oo. Tao naman ni grabe na gid ang baha. Ang among creek ni awas. Sumapaw yung creek namin. Inabot hanggang second floor yung tubig. Grabe, wala talagang naisalba. Hindi mo kayang magsalba ng kahit na ano. Kasi ang bilis ng tubig. As in, segundos lang talaga. Uubusin talaga. Saan naman inamo, diri ko eh. Mga sakyanan. Awa. Kana dira creek mana dira. Ayun yung creek.
Who do you think is most dangerous for the country?
Duterte.
Why is that?
Right now, his most trusted man, Pastor Kibuloy of Davao City, has already announced that if the elections don't turn out Duterte, he is going to personally lead a revolution. What kind of talk is that? That is almost seditious. And this is from a man of the cloth.